April 26, 2021. It rained yesterday. Not sure if it was yesterday or this morning, but the ground's wet. And you can see the little cat. Can't touch my plants anymore. I placed styro boards here around the edges so he can't come in. And as usual, I'm going to water the plants again with 5 liters, and I placed a small amount of urea there, just a tiny amount, maybe 1/2 teaspoon, so to be sure I don't overdose these guys. Ooh, this guy is doing it. You have dark green leaves, perfect, and multiple shoots. Also this guy, they're all growing very fast, like a proper giant bamboo.